on SpecFive's ranch in Florence, Texas.
Obviously, we've created just our own little fake river right here in the middle of nowhere, Florence.
They created a flood simulation to demonstrate a system they believe could prevent a tragedy along Texas rivers. SpecFive developed an early warning system built for the blind spots, the places off the grid. It starts with this, a simple float sensor, strategically placed miles upstream along a river or creek bed. It's connected to a radio module and powered by a small solar panel. Then it just waits and watches the water.
When that float sensor is tripped, this relay module will send a message downstream to other devices to alert the neighbors in the area of that potential flood.
These sensors would create a digital tripwire along miles of waterway.
These devices can be spread out probably every 5 to 10 miles, depending on topography.
When the rising flood waters hit that first sensor far upstream, this is what happens downstream. Loud sirens and alert radios placed in camps, cabins, and homes trigger instantly, giving people the one thing they need most in a disaster: time. But the real innovation here isn't the siren, it's how the signal gets there. Most modern alert systems depend on the cellular network, a network that is notoriously fragile in a disaster and often non-existent in the very rural areas most at risk. This system is different. It uses something called LoRa, a long-range radio protocol. Think of it as a high-tech digital version of a CB radio, a private network that sends a cry for help without needing a cell tower or an internet connection.
With this setup, the citizens can receive the same warning message that the first responders in the town would get. So everyone would have the information almost instantly.
And SpecFive founder and CEO Amir Hussain says this system can scale quickly across Texas.
For very little money, we can sensorize Texas. We can put intelligence at the edge. We can have these small pieces of computer intelligence, AI, sitting out at the edge with this free communication network that wraps Texas in kind of this embrace of digital safety.
After the equipment is in place, there is no monthly fee or subscription. For decades, the biggest obstacle to implementing systems like this hasn't just been technology, it's been the cost. Big government-run projects can run into the millions. SpecFive says their solution breaks that barrier.
Yeah, so we're looking at somewhere in the $2,000 range per flood sensor and relay device.
$2,000 a unit, meaning a whole stretch of river could be protected for a fraction of the traditional cost.
You know, so $20,000, $30,000, we can do a pretty good stretch of river. And again, locally, the administration at the camps and the first responders would be getting the same warning messages at the same time.
A system designed for the canyons and riverbeds where disaster often strikes first and where help can be the farthest away. Thank you for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and get the latest news by downloading the CBS Austin News app.